Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on West Star Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westloan.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for West Star Mortgage. Now click on the mortgage login option from the homepage and you will now be taken into the login portal. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy, and now you can click on the login button and you will be logged in to your West Star Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on forgot username or the forgot password option to reset these right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on West Star Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.